Looking for the best stackable washer dryer that actually fits your space and your life? Here's a hands-on, no-fluff ranking of the top 7 units, from compact towers to AI-driven all-in-ones, with real-world pros and cons woven into each review. In this video, the goal is simple: save you time, space, and headaches by breaking down capacity, cleaning performance, drying tech, speed, noise, smart features, and install requirements, so you pick the right unit the first time. Stay to the end to see which tower earns the number 1 spot for overall balance of power, reliability, and convenience. 7. Electrolux 300 Series Laundry Tower, ELT 7300AW. Electrolux's 300 Series Laundry Tower stacks a full-size 4.4 cu-feet washer under an 8.0 cu-feet electric dryer, all controlled from a comfortable center console that's easy to reach even in a closet install. The vertical, single-frame design uses about half the floor space of traditional side-by-side pairs, which is a real upgrade for small laundry rooms or apartments. In use, the LuxCare wash system stands out for even agitation and smart load sensing, and the 15-minute fast wash plus 15-minute fast dry combo is a genuine lifesaver for last-minute outfits. Capacity is more useful than the numbers suggest. 4.4 cu-feet easily handles a weekly family mix, and the 8.0 cu-feet dryer takes bulky linens without tangling. Electrolux also offers an instant refresh style quick cycle that smooths light wrinkles and revives lightly worn items without a full wash, which helps keep clothes looking new and saves water. For anyone upgrading from a vintage stack, the quieter operation and refined temperature control are immediately noticeable. Everyday usability is strong thanks to the mid-mounted controls and reversible doors that simplify tight installs near walls. The tower's single-piece aesthetic looks clean and integrated, and the stainless drum is gentle on fabrics. If you've struggled with inconsistent rinses, LuxCare's temperature and load sensors help stabilize results across mixed garments, so you don't need to babysit the cycles. There are trade-offs. The 300 series fast cycles are great in a pinch, but stick to regular or heavy duty when washing dense loads to avoid occasional residue on thick cottons. 6. LG Washtower WKE100HWA. LG's Washtower with center control puts a 4.5 cu-feet front-load washer under a 7.4 cu-feet dryer with a unified mid-height panel that's easier to reach than traditional stacked kits. Standout features include AIDD for fabric-aware wash motion, True Balance anti-vibration for calmer spins, and Smart Diagnosis for quick troubleshooting. Steam options and an allergen cycle enhance fabric care for sensitive households, and the Nevrust stainless drum has proven durability. The ergonomics are genuinely better than classic stacks. Controls sit where hands naturally fall, and status is easy to read across the room. In everyday mixed loads, the washer's 1300 RPM max spin helps shorten dry times, and the dryer's sensor-based cycles prevent over-drying. For routine care, workwear, athleisure, bedding, the default cycles are predictable and gentle. Smart connectivity matters here. ThinQ app control, remote start, and pairing between washer and dryer reduce guesswork by auto-selecting a compatible dry cycle after the wash. It's a small perk that adds up over months of use, and it helps new users pick the right settings without fear of shrinkage. Still, a few caveats keep this at number 6. Cycle menus on this specific base model are slimmer than LG's higher-tier towers, and heavy-duty soil removal is good, but not best in class, on deeply embedded grime unless you engage longer or steam-enhanced options. Also, while quiet for a stack, the dryer's drum tone is a touch sharper on thin metal items like zippers during sensor dry runs. 5. Electrolux 600 Series Laundry Tower, ELT 7600AW. The 600 series upgrades the Electrolux Tower formula with Smart Boost premixing for detergents, which improves stain removal by evenly blending water and detergent before it touches fabrics, a real step up for consistent results on collars and athletic gear. You still get the space-saving single-unit frame, extra-large 4.5 cu-feet washer capacity, and an 8.0 cu-feet dryer, plus the same approachable center control layout. Where the 300 felt fast and capable, the 600 feels more assured. Smart Boost reduces the need for pre-treating, and the instant refresh and 15-minute fast wash, fast dry keep convenience at the forefront for light outfits. On mixed family loads, the 600's balanced agitation and temperature control prevent dulling and pilling over time, and sanitize options add confidence for bedding and towels. Build and fit are thoughtful. A 27-inch width and closet-friendly depth keep installs simple, and the 76.25-inch height and reversible doors help in tight hallways and closets. Energy Star certification and stainless drums speak to long-term value, while straightforward cycles make it easy for multiple household members to use without confusion. Performance-wise, the 600 series is a smart pick for households that want reliable stain care without micromanaging every load. It's a meaningful refinement over the 300 if you prioritize stain consistency and a broader feature set without jumping to exotic tech or all-in-one designs. If space is tight and fabric care matters, the 600 series hits a pragmatic sweet spot, more punch where it counts, with the same compact footprint. 4. Samsung Bespoke AI Laundry Hub, WH46DBH500EV/A3. Samsung's Laundry Hub is a single-frame stacked washer and dryer with a 4.6 cuff-feet washer below and a 7.6 Q-feet electric dryer above. It brings the bespoke design language and SmartThings intelligence to a compact, elegant tower, including Flex Auto Dispense that stores and auto-doses detergent for many loads. The aesthetic is modern, and the 27-inch width with roughly 34.5-inch depth fits most laundry closets with a standard door swing. In daily use, the hub leans into convenience, smart cycle recommendations, consistent dosing, and a capacity that handles weekly family loads comfortably. The auto-dispense system cuts guesswork for new users and prevents overdosing that can cause residue. For households prioritizing unified design and connected control, the hub feels cohesive and intuitive. The dryer capacity at 7.6 Q-feet is ample for queen bedding and bulky towels, and paired with a 4.6 Q-feet washer, it avoids the bottleneck effect where drying lags washing. SmartThings tie-ins for notifications and energy modes add polish, and Samsung's recent focus on fabric care cycles gives more flexibility across delicates, synthetics, and mixed loads. Installation remains straightforward as a single unit with an integrated control stack, making it friendlier than separate stacking kits. For renters or condo installs, the footprint and unified build reduce vibration transfer points and eliminate mismatched finishes. The Laundry Hub is the modern smart tower pick, elegant, connected, and sized right for most closets, with solid capacity and minimal fuss. 3. Samsung Bespoke AI All-in-One Combo. This is Samsung's 5.3 Q-feet AI laundry combo, a true washer-dryer all-in-one with a ventless heat pump dryer, meaning no external vent and simple 120-volt installation. It's ultra capacity for an all-in-one, with super speed wash options, AI OptiWash and Dry, a 7-inch AI Hub LCD, auto open door, steam wash, and auto clean systems, all wrapped in a compact 27-inch wide body. It's also designated Energy Star Most Efficient, with only about 103 kilowatt-hours per year usage on the spec sheet. Performance highlights include the heat pump's lower temperature, fabric-friendly drying, and the ability to set a load and come back to clean, dry clothes, no transfers required. For small spaces or where venting is impossible, this is transformative. The Flex Auto Dispense system can cover dozens of loads per fill, and the Wi-Fi SmartThings integration handles monitoring and tweaks from the phone. Cycle variety is extensive, with 23 washing programs and numerous options to fine-tune time, temperature, and care. The 1200 RPM spin balances extraction with garment care, and self-clean functions help maintain performance in humid closets. The 20-year motor warranty speaks to long-term confidence. Realistically, all-in-ones demand a mindset shift. While a typical wash and dry combo cycle can be efficient, single drum systems still sequence actions, so back-to-back large loads will queue. The upside is unmatched convenience and installation flexibility. No vent, one machine, one plug. For busy urban living, it's a huge win. If you want a premium, ventless, one-and-done laundry experience with modern UI and AI assists, Samsung's combo is a category leader in capacity and brains. 2. GE Profile Ultrafast Combo PFQ97H PVS. GE's 4.8 Q-Feet Ultrafast Combo is the other marquee all-in-one, anchored by ventless heat pump drying, 120-volt easy install, and a headline claim, wash and dry a large load in about 2 hours. In practice, that's the defining feature, fast end-to-end cycles that make an all-in-one viable for most households. It also integrates adaptive smart dispense to store detergent and softener for up to 32 loads, and the Smart HQ app adds remote control and software updates. GE backs the experience with fabric care and hygiene tech, microban antimicrobial protection on key surfaces, a sanitize with oxy option, and an easy access lint filter that simplifies maintenance. The high airflow ventless system is gentler on activewear and denim than conventional heaters, while still drying thoroughly, a common pain point that GE mitigates well with airflow management. Specs are apartment-friendly, 28 inches wide, 46.7 inches tall, 32 inches deep, with 120 volts, 15/8 electrical, and Energy Star certification. Noise levels are civilized, and the 1300 RPM spin extracts effectively to shorten drying time. A 10-year motor warranty and 5-year sealed drying system warranty underscore durability. Usability is strong, clear dials and touch controls, a readable display, and app tie-ins for notifications. The ventless approach saves significant energy, about 50% more efficient drying than conventional electric dryers, while protecting fabrics from overdrying. For loads with pet hair or heavy lint, the filter access is quick, making upkeep painless. If a high-speed, high-capacity all-in-one with effortless install is the brief, GE's Ultrafast Combo is a top-tier pick, especially when turnaround time matters. 1. LG Washtower WX200HBA. LG's higher trim Washtower earns the crown by blending family-ready capacity with superb ergonomics, reliability, and smart convenience. You get a 4.5 Q-Feet washer paired to a 7.4 Q-Feet dryer in a single unified frame with center control at mid-height. The washer supports turbo wash under 30 minutes, AI fabric sensing, and steam options like Allergene, while the dryer brings turbo steam and wrinkle care to keep outfits ready to wear. Both units are Energy Star certified. The difference from base towers is breadth and polish. ThinQ Smart Pairing auto-selects matching dry cycles, and Turbo Wash 360-degree dramatically shortens routine loads without compromising cleaning. The 1300 RPM spin extracts water aggressively, so the dryer doesn't need to blast heat to finish, preserving fabrics and saving time. It's the gets everything right machine, fast, intuitive, and gentle. Fit and finish are excellent. The black steel design looks premium, the unified panel keeps reach effortless, and low decibel operation reduces household noise. FlowSense duct clog indicators remind you to keep vents clear, which maintains performance and safety over time. For mixed family loads, sportswear, denim, bedding, the cycle mapping is logical and the defaults just work. On paper, the specs line up with the best: 27-inch width, 74 3/8-inch height, and roughly 30 3/8-inch depth suit closets and narrow rooms. Warranty coverage is solid, and the ecosystem support across app, voice assistants, and diagnostics is as mature as it gets in this category. Final thought. That's all for today, folks.